Let's grow a garden. I want to grow a garden just like grown-ups. First, I'll pick which veggies I want to grow. Carrots, tomatoes, and peppers look yummy. At the store, I'll choose seeds for my garden. Sometimes I may buy baby plants to put in my garden. They won't take as long to grow. Next, I'll have to dig in the dirt to make it ready for my seeds to grow. I'll dig a hole to put the seeds or plants in. Now it's time to plant the seeds or little plants in the soil. I'll cover them up gently with soil, just like tucking them into bed. Pressing down to give them a cozy hug. Now I need to water them. Little seeds and baby plants need lots of watering. I will pick out all the weeds with my hoe so my little plants grow well. My plants will need lots of sunshine too. My garden is ready to grow big and strong, just like me. I'll watch my plants every day and give them lots of love. My veggie plants are growing well. Look, my hard work paid off. Fresh veggies for dinner. Thanks for joining me on my gardening adventure. See you next time.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.